And now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome Richard Halpern'S Hollywood Cavalcade.
I had a million requests for this song. It's so wrong on so many levels, but I love it anyway. I may look simple, but I want you to know I've been to college. I'm full of knowledge. I'm right at home with brainy men, and then my wisdom I show. But when there's clever girls around, I get up and go. Those educated babies are a bore. I'm gonna say what I've said many times before. Oh, the dumber they come, the better I like them, 'cause the dumb ones know how to make love. A Weisenheimer has you meet her folks when you call. The brainless baby always keeps you down in the hall. Oh, the dumbbells I've met have won beauty prizes. They look like angels sent from above. The clever girl will want to know if you mean to wed. The dumb ones never think of looking that far ahead. That's why the dumber they come, the better I like them, 'cause the dumb ones know how to make love. I said the dumber they come, the better I like them, 'cause the dumb ones know how to make love. The smart girls speak Greek and other languages too, but the dumb girls' only language is whose boochie boochie is you. Oh, the saps that I've met have won beauty prizes. They look like angels sent from above. You started squeezing clever girls, you're soon on the shelf. But when you're with dumb Doras, you can just be yourself. That's why the dumber they come, the better I like them, 'cause the dumb ones know how to make love. Thank you, folks. Little Eddie Cantor song. Also featured on this TV series, Boardwalk Empire. That's another good show. Yes, Boardwalk Empire, Carnival. You can't go wrong, folks. You can't go wrong. Let me tell you. And speaking of Carnival, we have Toby Huss with us tonight, who's one of the actors on that show.
What?
And this...
What?
Would you go? I'll tell you all about it.
Bring him out here. I want to see him. Where is he?
Pay no attention to that man behind the curtain.
Believe.
Anyway, on that show, they did the song If You Knew Susie, which is also an Eddie Cantor song. So I'd like to sing that song for you right now. The hit of 5 productions from 1925. What do you say? I have got a sweetie known as Susie. In the words of Shakespeare, she's a wow. Though all of you may know her too, I'd like to shout right now. If you knew Susie like I know Susie, oh, 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 what a girl. There's none so classy as this fair lassie. Oh, oh, oh my goodness, what a chassis. We went riding, she didn't balk. Back from Yonkers, I'm the one that had to walk. If you knew Susie like I know Susie, oh, oh, what a girl. Susie has a perfect reputation. No one ever saw her on a spree. Nobody knows where Susie goes. Nobody knows but me. If you knew Susie like I know Susie, oh, 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 what a girl. She wears long tresses and such tight dresses. Oh, oh, what a future she possesses. Out in public, how she can yawn. In the parlor, you would think the war was on. If you knew Susie like I know Susie, oh, oh, what a girl. I had a mustache as cute as a pup. Susie kissed me and she burned the darn thing up. If you knew Susie like I know Susie, oh, oh, what a girl. Thank you, folks. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to feature another member of the Blue Serenaders Orchestra on a lovely vocal. So please welcome Mr. Jim Ziegler. This is Sugar.
Thank you very much, Richard, for this opportunity. You sing a great tune by Maceo Pinker, the same man that wrote Sweet Georgia Brown, called Sugar. All right, so the last four. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sugar, I call my baby my sugar. I never may be my sugar, because my sugar's so confectionery funny. She never pleads for my money, but when she feeds me on honey, she gets her needs every time. I take million trips to her lips if I were be, 'cause they are sweeter than any candy to me. Oh, granulated sugar, I never cheat on my sugar, 'cause I'm so sweet on my sugar. Oh, that sugar baby, oh mine. If I were be, 'cause they are sweeter than any candy to me. Oh, granulated sugar, I never cheat on my sugar, 'cause I'm so sweet on my sugar. Oh, that sugar baby on mine, oh yeah.
Mr. Jim Ziegler, ladies and gentlemen. And he leads his own band called the Swing Stations, right? November 6th, right here at Cicada. Jim Ziegler and the Swing Stations. Thank you, sir. Thanks for being in the Blue Serenaders. Oh, that's right, this weekend on the Queen Mary. With Dean Mora and Dean Mora's band too, and the Swing. All right, terrific. You're gonna be at Sweet and Hot, right? What's your band, John? The Reynolds Brothers at the Sweet and Hot Festival. Okay. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, hello. How are you? Now we're going to bring back to the stage right now that lovely canary of song, the beautiful and scintillating Miss Care Morrison.
Richard Halpern!
Come on.
Bring back Richard!
Just lower it. Just hold like this. There.
It's a Damon.
What do you have for us, my darling?
Well, I'm still so depressed from
Are-
that last song.
Are you
I'm still
really?
blue.
You're going to stay in the blue mood?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, well, go with it. I'll trust you.
Okay.
All right, one more time for Care Morrison.
Ah, thank you. Now I'm singing a new song, much bluer than blue. I lost a friend I thought good and true, without any warning, since yesterday morning. I'm queen of the blues. Now my mind's all glassy, but I ain't had a drink. Spent 24 hours just trying to think. Why did he leave me? Why did he leave me? Ooh, bluer than blue. It's like a disease, makes you grieve, lose all ambition, every down condition. My mind's in pain, my heart's aflame. I miss him so, oh yes I know. No other love song will I ever sing. Blues in my heart will always ring. Why did he leave me? Why did he leave me? Ooh, bluer than blue. Why did he leave me? Why did he leave me? Ooh, bluer than blue.
Maxwell?
The lovely Care Morrison. Have you got another one? Are you still in that depressed mood, or
No, that got it out of my system.
that was enough to take care of it?
Yes, now I'd like to tell you the story of a girl who has found the 30s equivalent of J-Date or, Match.com.
J-Date.
She picks up men in church.
Jewish.com? Okay. I love it. All right, go ahead. I can't wait to see what this is going to be.
And this is even a great song. It's even a better song. Made better by the vocalist stylings of Mr. Jim Ziegler. gal named Sally with knock knees and crossed eyes. She cheated her best pally from her guy's eyes. Sal's wise, she has but one ambition, and to her it is a cinch. She's in her right position when she's sitting on the mourner's bench.
Now where's my Sal?
Oh, knock-kneed Sal's on the mourner's bench.
Can somebody tell me where Sal is?
Oh, knock-kneed Sal's on the mourner's bench.
My good gal Sal.
Oh, knock-kneed Sal's on the mourner's bench.
I'm looking high and low for Sal.
Oh, knock-kneed Sal's on the mourner's bench. Oh, knock-kneed can't be trusted, no matter where she goes. Someone will come up busted, that I know. Sure, she has but one ambition, and to her it is a cinch. She's in her right position when she's sitting on the mourner's bench.
Now I'm looking for Sal.
Oh, knock-kneed Sal's on the mourner's bench.
My good gal Sal.
Oh, knock-kneed Sal's on the mourner's bench.
She was more than a pal.
Oh, knock-kneed Sal's on the mourner's bench.
Oh, I'm looking for Sal.
Oh, knock-kneed Sal's on the mourner's bench. Yeah. Boy, but she always lives in church, boy. You see her every Sunday on the mourner's bench. Oh, knock-kneed Sal's on the mourner's bench.
The lovely Kara Morrison.
Thank you, everybody.
The canary of song. Thank you, Kara. We'll see you at the Halloween party, right? The Swingin' 60s Halloween party. And you're going to be with Jim on the Queen Mary. And in the band. Yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I dedicated the show this evening to my good friend Sybil Jason, who passed away this week. And she was a star in her own right at a lot of Warner Brothers films, A Little Big Shot, The Singing Kid with Al Jolson. She was in The Bluebird. She was in a lot of songs, a lot of films with Shirley Temple, you know. The Little Princess. She was in The Little Princess. She was in a short called The Changing of the Guard. And she was a very good friend of ours and loved the Cicada Club, and we did a few tributes to her, and we even named a soft drink after her. So one of the songs that she sang was a duet with Al Jolson from The Singing Kid. So I'm going to sing that song for you tonight in honor of the dear late Sybil Jason. Let's have a hand for Sybil Jason. For you, Sybil. I was a chronic, how have you been? Then, like a tonic, you blew in. You're the cure for what ails me, and you do me good. Down with the apple every day. Down with the ultraviolet ray. You're the cure for what ails me. I mean, you do me good. You can go starve a fever, you can feed a cold, but I don't fear fever and I can't catch cold. You're my pink of condition. You're my Arrowhead Springs. You're my Battle Creek Mish. I was a meeky, weaky lamb. Now know I can shoulder boulder dam, for your smile never fails me. Hi, lady, knock on wood. You're the cure for what ails me. What's more, you do me good. I was a chronic, how've you been? Then like a tonic, you blew in. You're the cure for what ails me, and you do me good. Down with the apple every day, down with that ultraviolet ray. You're the cure for what ails me, plus you do me good. I saw you in Little Princess, Little Big Shot too, and when they changed the guard, they had to call on you. Then you did, singing kid. What a joy singing with you, Al Jolson and a sin. And though that was many years ago, I'm very pleased and proud to know you will not be forgotten. Goodbye, Sybil, knock on wood. You're the cure for what ails me. What's more, you do me good. Sybil Jason, ladies and gentlemen. She gave me this ring. She gave me this ring. This is from her, so wear it every show. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we want to bring to the stage right now, bringing back the Condor of Croon, Mr. Damon Kirsch. All right. Have fun with that.
Oh, thank
Don't
you.
you love that?
Thank you.
What do you got for us?
I have a little ditty called The Broken Record.
The
You
Broken
remember
Re-
records?
Yeah, I remember those vaguely.
Well, we'll sing a song about it.
Enjoy it.
My sweetheart, you're gorgeous, you're gorgeous, you're gorgeous, you're gorgeous, you're gorgeous, you're gorgeous tonight. That's a song I heard on a phonograph. The needle caught on the broken half and kept playing and saying, my sweetheart, I kiss you, 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 I kiss you tonight. All at once I started to think of you, the things I've wanted to say and do while we're dancing, romancing. The broken record played on and then the broken record started again. My sweetheart, I love you, 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 I do. Oh, the tune sounds silly, I will agree. The words sound daffy, but not to me, for there's no doubt it's the way I feel about you.
The Broken Record song featuring Damon Kirsch. Come on up. Don't fall down.
There we go.
The Broken Foot song. You got another one for us?
I do have another one.
What's this one called?
This one's called You're a Builder Upper.
Are you sure?
I am.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
What happened to Love Me or Leave Me?
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah,
then I guess
there-
we'll
there
do
was
Love
a
Me or
bill-
Leave Me.
Okay, you know,
It's
Love
good that
Me or-
somebody has the chart.
Love
Yeah.
Me or Leave Me was
Yes.
also featured in the TV show Carnival, as was If You Knew Susie. So in honor of Toby Huss, who's here tonight, we're going to sing Love Me or Leave Me. Damon Kirsch is going to sing it for 1928, Ruth Edding, all right? Because Carnival is the best show since Dark Shadows, let me tell you, right? Okay. All right.
Love me or leave me and let me be lonely. You won't believe me, but I love you only. I'd rather be lonely than happy with somebody else. You might find the nighttime the right time for kissing, but nighttime is my time for just reminiscing, regretting instead of forgetting with somebody else. There'll be no one unless that someone is you. I intend to be independently blue. I want your love, but I don't want to borrow to have it today and to give back tomorrow. For my love is your love, there's no love for nobody else.
Never Leave Me, featuring Mr. Damon Kirsch, the condor.
Never leave you.
The condor of Caroon. Thank you, Damon.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon. So you're in the Halloween show too, aren't
I am.
you?
I'll be here October 30th for
I'll be
that
here.
mad swinging 60s show.
I heard a rumor that Austin Powers is going to be here.
Ooh.
That's what I heard. Yeah, well, that's what you heard, but I heard. All right, thank you, Damon. God bless you. All right, please welcome to the stage the fabulous Boopadoop girl, Miss Ginger Polly.
Yes, there's still parts of me here.
I know, the memory lingers on, right?
It does, doesn't it?
All right, what do you have for us?
Well, I'm going to do another Helen Kane song.
Okay.
And this one actually was arranged by Mr. Dean Mora.
Oh, Dean Moore arranged this. All right, well, go to it. Ginger Polly.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, I'm in love. I'm really in love. This time I mean what I say. I found the one, the only one, who's got me acting this way. I love no one but he loves no one but me. We love to be with we, that's why I'm happy. I know just what he craves and he knows just what I crave. We know but we behave, that's why I'm happy. We don't do the things that are wrong, but ooh, how we do get along. I do just as I should and he does just as he should. We do each other good, that's why I'm happy. I love to be alone. He loves to be alone. We love when we're alone. That's why I'm happy. I love him more each day and he loves me more each day. We like to be that way. That's why I'm happy. We have fun, but we don't spend a dime. But ooh, how we do spend our time. I know we shouldn't pet it. He knows we shouldn't pet. We know, but we forget. That's why I'm happy. Happy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Let's
you, Richard.
have another hand for the beautiful Miss Ginger Polly. Thank you. And there she goes in a cloud of feathers. And now we're going to bring back to the stage, all the way from the Sunshine State of Florida, the Sunshine Boy himself, Nigel Triner. Come on, baby, what do you say?
Hello! All right.
So what do you have for us now, Nigel?
We're gonna do a little Janet Gaynor, right?
Janet Gaynor, I think so.
1929. Sunny Side Up. I have no part of this.
There
All
you
right,
go.
there we go.
Enjoy.
All right.
Take it away.
Take it away. Dance, that's what it's for. Go ahead. There's one thing to think of when you're blue. There are others much worse off than you. If a load of trouble should arise, just laugh and say it's great to be alive. Keep your sunny side up, up, hide the side that gets blue. If you have 9 suns in a row, baseball teams make money, you know. So keep your funny side up, up, let your laughter shine through. You'll stand up on your legs, be like 2 fried eggs. Keep your sunny side up. One more chorus, what do you say? Keep your sunny side up, up, high, the side that gets blue. If you can't eat lobster and cake, lucky you, your tummy won't ache. So keep your funny side up, oh, up. Let your laughter shine through. You'll stand up on your legs, be like two fried eggs. Keep your sunny side up. Ha-ha! All right. Thank you, folks. Thank you. Hey.
Mr. Nigel Driner, the
folks.
Sunshine Boy. That's pretty good for being only 25, let me tell you. All right, and now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to bring back to the stage my good friend, star of that wonderful HBO series, Carnival. Please welcome Mr. Toby Huss. How are you, sir?
Hello there, hello there, hello there.
All right, what do you got for us, sir?
Yeah, thanks for bringing up a thing I did 5 years ago. That's good for the people.
It's still on DVD.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, you can't get it.
You can't get it.
We're gonna dance in the dark a little bit.
I love it. Okay.
How about that? How
Thank
about
you.
them apples?
I love it.
Dancing in the dark till the tune ends. We're dancing in the dark, and it soon ends. We're waltzing in the wonder of why we're here. Time hurries by, we're here and gone, looking for the light of a new day to brighten up my night. I have you, babe, and we can face the music together, dancing in the dark. What though a song is old? What though love is old? Through them we can be young. Hear this heart of mine wailing all the time, dear one. Tell me that we're one, looking for the light of a new life to brighten up that night. I've got you, babe. We can face the music together, dancing in the dark. Thank you. Imagine that.
That was great.
First time I did that song.
I loved it. I thought it was great.
Sounded like I'd done it 3 times already. Son of a... Is that little kid gone?
No, they left?
Can I work blue? I'm gonna work blue if that kid's gone.
She's gone.
Hey, not here.
All right, what do you got next for us, Toby?
I don't know.
What's next?
Oh yes, right.
What?
My baby.
Yes, this is mythic, this song. All right.
Sometimes.
It is. Take care. Give him a hand, another hand for Toby Huss. Come on, let him hear it. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a dirty old saloon song. You better get my name first. It's caught in the 3. There's no one in the place except you and me. So set 'em up, Joe. I've got a little story I think you ought to know. We're drinking, my friend, oh, to the end of a brief episode. Make it one for my baby, one more for the road. I got the routine, put another nickel in the machine. Feeling so bad, can't you make the music easy and sad? I could tell you a lot, oh, but you've gotta be true to your code. Make it one for my baby, one more for the road. You'd never know it, but buddy, I'm a kind of poet, and I've got a lot of things I'd like to say. And when I'm gloomy, oh, won't you listen to me till it's talked away? Well, that's how it goes. Joe, I know you're getting anxious to close. So thanks for the cheer. I hope you didn't mind my bending your ear. But this torch that I found, it's gotta be drowned, or it soon might explode. Make it one for my baby, and one more for the road. Make it one for my baby, and one more for the road. Thank you.
Bravo, sir. That was wonderful. Mr. Toby Huss, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our big finale of the night, the Charleston. Who's ready to do the Charleston, huh? This band is so hot. I gotta fan myself with my Sharon McKnight, Sophie Tucker, Red Hot Mama fan. Who's ready for Charleston, huh? All right, where's Laura Brodian? Come on up. Lady Brodian. You want one of these? I can get one for you from Sharon McKnight herself. I'll make sure, Mrs. Canister, I'll make sure you get one. Don't leave without talking to me. I'll get you one of these again. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna do this beautiful dance. Dance all around, dance crazy, dance big, and then in the middle of the song, we're gonna make an aisleway, and you have one partner on one side, one partner on the other, and you go down one couple at a time. It's what's called a Virginia Reel, but I like to call it Soul Train. So what do you say, boys? The Charleston. 2, 1. Everybody dance. Charleston, Charleston, made in Carolina. Some dance, some friends. I'll say, what could be finer? Oh, goodness. Everybody make those lines, everybody, make those lines. Everybody dance! Everybody! Everybody. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the show. We have one more song for you. One more song. Let's bring our cast on stage. Come on up, Nigel. Ginger. Where's Ginger? Where's Damon and Care? Where's Toby? Come on up. How many people have been to Hawaii in this place? Woo! If you have gone, you're going back. If you haven't gone, you're going right now with us. So we love it. We're gonna make Wiki Wacky down in Waikiki. Go, boys, what do you say? Pack up your troubles, come on along. Where lights are dreamy and life's a song. In Honolulu, across the sea, making wiki wacky down in Waikiki. Oh, the hula dancers are sure good news. Those joy dispensers are cure for blues. It's absolutely the place to be, making wiki wacky down in Waikiki. No evening clothes, anything goes, believe it or not. And when the night shadows fall, that's when they're all getting hot. On the ukulele, they use the moonbeams to light the night. And every tune seems to sound just right. It's absolutely the place to be, making wiki wacky down in Waikiki. Come with me, all you whoopee makers, all you wide awakers, join me. Oh boy, I just found a spot. You're gonna like it a lot. And it's far away. It's up in Honolulu, where the hula hula greets you. Hawaii's the place to get a smile on your face. And I wanna go where they shake their hips. That's where the sailors all shake their ships. You wouldn't blame me if you could make it Ricky Wacky down in Waikiki. You get a feeling of pure delight. Your head is reeling, your heart is light. Your eyes are dancing with revelry. Make it Ricky Wacky down in Waikiki. You never saw dresses of straw like they're wearing there. And all those dances they do, there's nothing you can compare. What a revelation. Hawaiian cuties with goo-goo eyes. And are they beauties? Oh, you'd be surprised. You're never lonesome for company. Make it Ricky Wacky down in Waikiki. Come on, boys, go! So you never saw dresses of straw like they're wearing there. And all those dances they do, there's nothing you can compare. What a revelation. Hawaiian cuties with goo-goo eyes. And are they beauties? Oh, you'd be surprised. You're never lonesome for company. Making wicky wacky down in Waikiki. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Richard Halpern. And let's have a hand for our guest, Ms. Ginger Pauly, Mr. Nigel Driner, Kerr Morrison, David Kirsch, Mr. Toby Huss, and this wonderful orchestra, Mr. Jim Siegler on the trumpet, Mr. Larry Wright on the drums, Jim Garofalo on the bass, John Reynolds on the banjo guitar, and Mr. Randy Waltz on the piano. And let's have a hand for the Hollywood Hot Shots dance team. And of course, the man who makes it all possible, Mr. Maxwell Demille. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We hope you have enjoyed Richard Halpern'S Hollywood Cavalcade.
Thank you. Sybil Jason, we love you, Sybil Jason. Godspeed, Sybil Jason.
Thank you, Richard Halpern. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please join us in 2 weeks when we present Jonathan Stout and his Campus 5, featuring Hilary Alexander. But for now, this is Maxwell DeMille wishing you all the best of good luck and good evening.